Happy 2nd of July from Sköndal and this very secluded beach spot on the lake Drevviken. It is 6 p.m. and it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris. And I have found this spot here to enjoy a nice swim in the lake Drevviken here today. 2nd of July that is, and 23 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and we're gonna find out in a bit what is the temperature also of the lake indeed. And it's been quite a while since I was on this swimming in this lake Drevviken, but it seems that the temperature has drastically went up indeed, and currently it is 22 degrees Celsius in the lake Drevviken. And bear in mind, this is a big lake, so it seems that now all of the lakes have been warmed up, including the sea. And let me show you more of the nature before we go in for a swim. And this is my spot further in the forest. It can be a spontaneous nude beach spot also as well. And it's time for Chris to enjoy another swim in the lake, that is. And it seems that the forecast for the weekend doesn't look good at all, so it's going to be quite challenging to swim in the sea this weekend, but I will do my best for sure. Okay, enough chit-chatting, more swimming, and to show you more of this beautiful setup here. And ready, set, and go! It was quite easy to get into the water indeed, and yeah, so many amazing spots in the nature of Sweden. And this over here, the road here continues all the way to Flatten actually, and I can see also one other nude beach spot there in Norrhem that I was visiting some time back. So quite cloudy with a bit of sun afternoon here in Stockholm today on the 2nd day of July, and Chris is enjoying. Now it was too late to go to the sea, so almost 6 p.m. now, and I will be traveling maybe in Värmdö this weekend and enjoy swimming the sea, even though it's going to be windy and stuff. Quite amazing indeed. Sköndal means nice valley, and it really is a nice one indeed. You can get here by bicycle obviously, but I came by public transport, and there is a bus from Gullmarsplan 188 that goes every 10 minutes, and the closest stop is Stora Sköndal. And there are several public beaches as well, but I usually tend to opt for this kind of beach spots. And at the beginning of the video you have seen also quite nice valley closer to Solbrygga, that is. And yeah, on the other end we have actually Huddinge, and I see my other beach spot over there. It's currently empty and nobody is in there. So yep, now let's wrap up this episode, and for me to swim a bit longer But thank you so much for watching, and cheers. Hope you're having a great summer wherever you are, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on the channel. Beach adventures with Chris.